Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming Word is updated and identify where the file lives, local, network, or cloud. Open File Info to see protection status. If it shows read-only or protected view, note the reason. Make a duplicate copy now to avoid data loss, then try opening the copy. If the document came from email or web, unblock it in File Properties. Once done, you'll know whether the lock is permission-based, protection-based, or a file corruption symptom. Next, you remove protection and attempt recovery. Go to Review Restrict Editing and click Stop Protection. Enter the password if you have it. If that fails, close Word and reopen with Safe Mode. Hold Control to disable add-ins, then use File Open and Repair on the original file. For SharePoint or OneDrive, check user permissions and version history. Restore an editable version if necessary. Make sure to save changes to your duplicate so you preserve a working copy. Finally, complete the fix by saving as a new file type, Save As, docx to rebuild internal structure. Disable suspect add-ins via File Options add-ins, then restart Word and reopen the file. If it still stays locked, extract text, change extension to zip and pull out document, XML, or open with Notepad to copy contents into a new document. If problems persist, one troubleshooting tip: reboot the machine and check for stale file handles on network shares.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.